Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You need an account, a payment method, and one sellable asset ready. Once logged in, add product details, title, 3-line summary, price, and delivery method. Make sure to set payout preferences and tax info now so funds flow smoothly. Then upload files or connect license management and assign access rules. This first sequence gets you live. Do it deliberately. You'll be able to test purchase flow next, so don't skip the preview and sandbox checks. Now focus on conversion. You should optimize the listing with a clear headline, benefits, and 3 visuals that show value. Once done, configure pricing tiers, coupon codes, and an upsell path to increase average order value. Make sure to add an automated email that delivers access instantly and includes instructions. Then connect a landing page and a buy button. Test the funnel end-to-end. If traffic converts poorly, iterate on headlines. You're ready to launch. Start with low-cost promotion to validate demand, then scale what works. Monitor conversion rate, cost per acquisition, and repeat purchase signals. Adjust pricing or funnel steps accordingly. Once scaling, automate onboarding and implement analytics. If something breaks, like failed payments or missing access, pause promotions, test a purchase, reset keys, and manually grant access while you fix settings. Finally, make incremental offers and use customer feedback to increase value and recurring revenue over time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.